the computer is running various processes. Let us check the temperature of the system. It is 103.4 degree Fahrenheit. Let us check once again. It is little bit reduced to 103.2 degree Fahrenheit. Let us see how we can solve this problem. Update the Windows also. By updating Windows, vulnerabilities and risks will be reduced and the performance will be increased. Installing system update is must. Go to control panel. In control panel you will find hardware. In power options, change when the computer sleeps. Click on that and go to change advanced power settings. Go to processor power management. In processor power management you will find system cooling. Here in system cooling it is showing on battery passive and plugged in active. Change this passive to active. Apply. Okay. Again go to processor power management. Go to maximum processor state. In maximum processor state you will find 100%. Make it to 75%. It is 75 and change this 100% to 75. Apply. It's okay. You can change the settings to default at any time. Then close it. We did some changes in the system. Let us check what is the temperature now. Earlier it was 103.2. Now it is 97.7. 98.9. Okay. Once again. 98.9. Fine. Never place your laptop like this. Why? Because if you place like this, what happens? There are the ventilation ports underneath. Here also and here also. When you place the laptop like this, there will be improper ventilation for the whole system. There will be a damage to the components. Why? Because it will get heated up very instantly. So never do like this. Always keep the laptop on a flat surface like this. I have two laptops with me. Both are Dell. I will show you the difference. It is very slim. If you check with the it is only 14.9 mm only. So what happens? The area for the air circulation is very less. Why? Because it is very compact. Whereas if you see the old one, this is Dell Vostro 2520. See, the thickness is near about 30.6. There is a gap, lot of gap between the components as well as from bottom to the top is having lot of gap. That's what it is very important to keep the fan clean and to keep the ports free of dust. It processes the things at high speed, whereas this is the slow speed. So automatically heat generation will be more in this. So that's what never put on the clothes. Put on the plain surface or put on the heat sinking pads. That will be very good.